What's going on, guys? So we're going to take a look at dwac Digital World acquisition. I know a lot of you guys have been trading this stock. I know a lot of people have made some really good money off this stock. So it's been somewhat of a good little trader as of late. So let's take a look at some levels that we're going to really need to be concerned about. We know that we have these highs here of 93.80. Okay, so we're going to draw a trend line up here. This is going to be our ceiling here. If we are in this trade here, maybe we think about taking a little bit of profits here. We hold a runner definitely if we blow through this. That way you want to catch that, that new high move. The level that we're going to need to hold is $75. So today we did put in a nice green candle right off the open, and then we kind of just faded with the rest of the overall market. So going into tomorrow, one of the levels that we're going to be needing to look at here is going to be this 86.76. If we can push over 86.76, we potentially have room to run into 93. Now that's going to be a really, really good trade if you are involved in this already. If you are not currently involved in this stock, I'm not saying that it's too late to get in, but you just don't want to be chasing this thing as it's running into this ceiling up here. So if you are currently in this stock, I think we look good as long as we're holding $80. And that last level of support is going to be this 200-day moving average on the 1 hour time frame. That price is going to be $74. That's also going to be today's lows. So we're definitely not going to want to lose today's lows because we are going to have a little bit of room down if we talk about losing today's lows. So definitely want to keep that in mind. Obviously, if we were to lose these lows here of around $74.70, we do have room down to 67. Overall, this is a good little trader. Definitely want to keep your eyes on it if you are looking for something that moves intraday. It's got some good volume, good volatility, enough room to make some action depending on what your trading style is. I just kind of want to give out these levels. Why this level of 86.76 is so important, because if we do go back kind of to last Thursday and Friday, we did touch this area and it acted as resistance. So you can see when we did come up to this area, we had a hard time pushing through, and then we sold all the way back down to this level of demand where we bounced off 2 times. When we came to this area, it looks like it looks like buyers were comfortable stepping in this zone. We were able to push the stock up, consolidate sideways, and then we did back test it. And when we back tested it that second time between that, $62, $65 range, this was an opportunity to get long for a potential swing. And if you did get long down in this zone, you are looking really, really nice on your position sizing here. So once we did successfully backtest this zone, we made this next push higher. And then here we are yet again at this prior resistance. So if we can get through 86.76, this thing can definitely fly, touch these highs here of 93.80. Definitely something you're going to want to be a part of. But to the downside, let's say this does start to lose steam. Where should you get out of this trade? Well, potentially, if you're up on profits, maybe you take your profits right around $80. If you're in a little bit lower and you want to kind of just break even, maybe 74, definitely under 74, you might want to think about exiting that position, as it does have a lot of room to fall and extremely fast back down to that $65 range. And if we talk about the steam is over and, the fire is out, there's no more love for the stock, then anything below this zone here is definitely where you're going to want to exit that trade and or take a short position on this stock. But keep it on watch. Definitely looks higher to me, in my opinion. It is holding this upward trend line here. So even if we do come back down, kind of back test this area, we could be getting ready for that next leg up. Guys, if you like this video and you want to stay tuned with the stock, you want to stay tuned with my videos, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification. Also, leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up. Join my Discord. That Discord's down in the description box below. I'll be happy to help you guys out. Great group of traders in there. We trade everything from small caps to meme stocks to, Amazon, Tesla. So with that being said, I will see you guys all on the next video, and let's all make some money out there.